Nungari Bumayam, Ace Nungari. So today is the Tet holiday in Vietnam.
So what is that holiday?
Tet holiday is the Lunar New Year. So normally in China, Korean, and I don't know where also.
Like I think Indonesia also.
Maybe so. And Vietnam celebrate Lunar New Year. So today we will prepare the rice cake. On that holiday, we always eat the rice cake.
Okay. So you also prepare some other foods already?
Yeah, I already prepared some other food, but this is the important thing. So now we will prepare together.
Okay. Yeah, so today I will be also helping her prepare. So what is here?
So here we have the pork.
So pork in the rice cake. This is my first time like hearing rice cake. Usually it's like a sweet one, right?
Sweet?
Yeah.
No. Vietnamese rice cake.
Vietnamese rice cake?
It's not sweet. It's salty.
Oh.
It's salt.
Oh, okay.
This is the
Lentils, right?
This is the lentils. Yeah, we already soak it in the water. And here is the sticky rice.
No, okay, for the rice cake.
For the rice cake. This one we also need to soak it in the water like overnight.
Yes.
So to make the rice cake more tasty, we will put some chicken stock or the salt inside and mix it.
Okay, I can
Can
do
you
it.
mix it?
Yeah.
So maybe this is the first time you make the rice cake, right?
Yeah.
So in Vietnam, it's have two kind of rice cake. In the north of Vietnam, they make the bánh chưng.
Bánh chưng.
Bánh chưng. And in the south.
So you are going to make bánh chưng?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Because we're in the middle.
So what will you make?
So we also prepare like the south of Vietnam.
Okay.
So it's called Banh Tet.
Banh Tet, okay.
For the bánh chưng, it will be the square shape. But for the Banh Tet, it will be like this.
Okay.
What is that shape?
I don't know, like a sausage shape?
Something like that, but it's bigger.
Right.
So today, actually, it should be like this, long like this.
Yeah.
But because our pressure cooker is so small, so we will make the mini.
Mini Banh Tet.
Yeah, mini Banh Tet. So here we need to prepare the banana leaf. So here in Japan, it's so expensive.
Yes.
Maybe
Just
just two
three?
leaf.
Yeah.
Oh
two
my
leaf.
god, and it's around
$3.
$3.
Yeah.
But we have to buy it.
Did you clean it?
Yeah, but this is something I cannot clean it.
Okay.
So I already clean it. Now we will cut it.
Okay. This is to tie it up?
We can use it to tie it up, but I think it will break.
Okay.
So here we will tear the banana leaf
Like this?
like this side. So normally my mom will make it, and we will be the helper.
Like you mean?
But this time, because I have the new family, so I have to prepare myself.
Your mom is an expert.
Yeah.
And we don't need to buy the banana leaf also.
Yeah, in my place, we plant a lot of banana. So you don't have to buy.
Okay.
So I think we need 3 leaf like this. So to make it easier to roll, we will prepare like this and roll like this. Okay.
Okay.
So now we will put the
Rice?
rice. Oh, you know how to make it?
Yeah. I know how to make it. How, if I put it all, how can you roll it?
We will put like this. And then this on top.
Okay.
Like it will be a long one, so we will put like this.
And then meat?
And then we will put the meat on top of it. So the meat here, I already marinated with onion and some chicken stock and pepper. We should use the meat with the fat because it will be tasty more. Okay, lentil on top of this.
I thought you were saying pentil. It's lentils.
Yeah, I said lentil.
I heard pentil.
And then we will roll it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I forgot. We need something to tie up, but here we don't have the thing that in Vietnam we use, so I will use the twine.
So mid twine.
Mid twine.
Yeah. Yeah.
So at first
we have to put
we
it
have
down.
to put it down first, like this.
Yes.
And then when we roll it, we can.
Yeah.
And now we will make it like this. Can you?
Yeah.
Okay.
So here, try it like a.
Tie it like. Yeah. Good job.
Yeah, I'm a helper. So.
First we will do like this, and then here, from here.
Oh, break.
Break. I think I forgot to cook it first to make it soft.
Right.
Because it's long time we have not do, so maybe I forgot that part. And then
so we have to cook it before?
Hmm?
We have to cook it before? What do you mean?
Cook the leaf to make it soft.
Oh, okay.
Because it's so crunchy now,
Right.
So first we will do like this to make the rice
Go down.
And then this one is so high, so we will cut some from here. Here. To make it easier
To put it inside?
So here we will do like this.
And we will also tie it again?
Yeah, we will use this one also. One more, please. Oh my God. You know how to do, nah?
Yeah.
And then tie it.
How about this?
Wait, we have to finish this first.
Okay. Understood. Down. Okay.
So normally we will put like this. This is tie it properly, nah? Because we will not
Tie again.
More. Yeah. Now this part, we will do the same. So sometimes when we do it not good, this part will be bigger and this part will be smaller.
Okay.
So we will do the same.
Cut it? We will not cut it?
Yeah, cut it. And the necessary thing here is that you have to make it properly. Make sure the water not go inside.
Yes.
Okay.
I think we can make only about 2 and 3, you know?
3 now.
Yeah. So I will hold it, you tie it up.
First, it will be like this, and then we have to tie it here.
Wow.
To make sure, it will not.
Like you can do it all like
No.
round, you know? No?
Normally we don't do it because it's not our style. So normally this part is my
Tying up?
department.
Tying up?
Yeah, because it's easy. Ina. Okay. We teach you how to. Okay, so easy to take it out when we cook. normally we will do like this.
Okay.
And then, ta-da!
Rice cake.
This
Banh
is
Tet.
Banh Tet. This is the Banh Tet.
Okay.
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 So normally it should be double time like this. But here we just make the mini one. Okay, let's make a new one.
Okay.
Can you do it yourself?
No, I cannot.
But it's not so difficult.
No, I mean like I need the help, you know, like
Eh?
yeah.
But my mom did it
By
herself. Like when we were small,
Uh huh.
she always did it herself.
Oh.
So again,
Mm-hmm.
we will do it. Do you remember?
I know. Oh my God. Look at it. When you get it round shape, it will come out.
Yeah, the
like a
round shape.
Mm.
But we have to make it beautiful
Yeah.
because the first one is mixed all.
Yeah.
So I think it will not be like normally it will have
Rice and then
the rye round and
Mm.
then the lentil rounds and the meat round.
Yeah.
But that Banh Tet, I think.
it's okay. We are trying for the first time. So.
Yeah.
Mm.
So in Vietnam,
Mhm.
Tết holiday is the time that everyone waiting for it
Mhm.
because Tết holiday everyone will come back home
Mhm.
and then we'll be together
Mhm.
at least 3 days. Some people busy, they just can't come back
One
like
day.
1-2 days.
Mhm.
Okay, this one we just
Wait.
ah. I forgot that part. Oh, okay. Can you use the
Dude, your hand is not there, okay?
yeah, we will do like this.
Mhm.
And then from here,
Mhm.
and then here. Yeah. Okay.
Get to-
When we make the Vietnamese rice cake, it's also the good time together with the family.
Mhm.
So a lot of people also were waiting for this time.
Mhm. So they will do it the night before or on the same day?
Like the day before, because it will take some time to cook.
Okay.
Because they will make a lot, not like us, like
Mm.
3 or 4 only.
Yeah.
They will make big and like 10. Because a lot of people will come
Right.
and we will eat that on that holiday.
Mhm.
This is smaller, right?
Yeah, this is it's okay.
It's
we
okay.
we cannot control it.
So in Manipur, New
Mhm.
Year, do you
Mhm.
cook anything?
Yeah, we have the chai rau ba.
Chai ropa?
Yeah, so we cook different dishes. Yeah, like but it will be during our wedding time in Vietnam, I think. Chai rau ba.
Yeah.
So let's see.
Ta-da! Last one.
It will be small, yeah.
Small.
Yeah, this one.
I think this will be the biggest one.
Onto? So the remaining meat, what will we do?
I will.
Bake it?
I will make it with the pork ear.
Okay.
I will also roll the pork ear.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, let's roll it.
Let's roll it. I got it.
Because we do and the roll was a bit big, you know. That's why.
Okay.
First one was long, second one was shorter. This is
The shortest.
Yeah, put it. Yeah, I think we make the roll a bit big. That's why.
Yeah, it's the shorted one.
You'll use the pressure cooker.
Yeah.
Okay. At home you don't have pressure cooker, right?
Yeah, we
Boil it
boil it
for a long time.
long time overnight because it's big and then it's around 10-20.
I think boiling would be better if we use pressure cooker. I think it
Same,
will
same.
I think we can cook all three together.
Cannot.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, same. So this one a little higher.
Yeah.
Okay, done. So we will go to cook now with the pressure cooker. Now we will boil it up.